Welcome to the 2018 United Way campaign, where we are so excited to be celebrating 75 years of support in our communities. And although we've been around for 75 years, we're still sometimes asked exactly what that local United Way support looks like. Here's what that support looks like in our communities. It's grant support to 31 local nonprofit organizations. Nonprofits that provide mentorship and support to our kids and teach them about the importance of being kind to themselves and one another. Nonprofits that provide much-needed medical care to the uninsured members of our communities. Nonprofits that provide crucial dental care to those unable to afford traditional dental services. Nonprofits that provide literacy instruction to those who face barriers to becoming more literate. It's support to community projects, like the Whitewater Leads Dolly Parton Imagination Library that provides books to local children to promote early childhood literacy. Projects like the community event put on by the Unity Project that focused on inclusion of all members of our communities. It's providing our free transportation program, Ride United, which last year provided 545 free rides to local food pantries for low-income, elderly, and disabled individuals. It's providing a free online volunteer platform found at www.volunteermaine.com so our communities can become more engaged and lend the crucial volunteer support that our local nonprofits so greatly need. It's providing United Grove, a cooperative community garden where over 40 individuals work to improve food security through sustainable gardening practices. It's serving as a connector for our nonprofit community and a resource for individuals and businesses to learn more about the tremendous nonprofit work available for those in need. It's bringing awareness to and advocating on behalf of our partner organizations and the causes they so passionately focus on. In 2018, our United Way is providing just over $238,000 in grant support to local nonprofits, community programs, and projects. In the past 5 years alone, our United Way has allocated $1.2 million in support for what our communities need, and that support has reached almost 140,000 local clients. We're proud of what our support has looked like, and we're proud of what 75 years of United Way impact has meant to so many people within our communities.
Husko and its owners have always been a very proud supporter of United Way and giving back to local communities. One thing that Husko focuses on is giving back to communities, especially with focus on education, health, and well-being. That aligns directly with United Way's mission. It's a great way. Husko does encourage all of our employees to contribute to United Way in some way, shape, or form.
I'm so proud to be a part of the United Way because of the fact that all of the partner agencies have been thoroughly vetted by the board. Each year, everybody applying for funds has to go through a very serious process and provide the board with financials, let us know what they're going to be doing with the money, and then just in general proving that they are going to be using the funds that we give them for the purpose that they're asking for.
And we're ready to keep growing our support. We know we're nowhere near meeting the full need of our communities and our partners, so we're working hard to do everything we can to continue to engage our community members, educate them on the needs of our kids, families, and neighbors, and connect them with causes they care about. Because we know that continuing to provide our support and continuing to work together with our partners is the best way we can positively impact and improve our communities.
The Rock River Free Clinic has been around for 15 years in our community, which we're very proud of, and United Way has been a partner much of that time. So we see folks who are uninsured living in Jefferson County, Whitewater, and Cambridge, and we provide their primary medical care. And we're only able to do that because of our partnership with United Way.
Join us through volunteerism. Register on our volunteer platform. Reach out to your favorite organization to learn about their needs. Promote volunteerism at your workplace, or lend a few hours in your child's school. Join us through advocacy. Learn more about United Way and the organizations, programs, and projects we support, and talk to your friends, coworkers, and neighbors about it. Stand up for the causes in your community that you care about, and reach out to those you believe can help. And join us through giving. You can join the list of over 1,200 donors who support our United Way each year during our campaign. To the 26 local businesses who run workplace campaigns, to the 11 businesses who provide a company donation, to the 100 individuals and numerous small businesses who donate through our annual mailing, to a number of other foundations, corporations, and organizations who trust us with their generosity, thank you. We simply would not have 75 years of successful community support to show without your understanding of the value of United Way and your belief in our mission. And what would donor support mean to us? Support for our 2018 campaign would mean we can continue to provide our high level of funding where it's most needed. It would mean continuing to support programs that teach our kids about gardening, healthy eating habits, and allow for their participation in wellness activities. Programs that provide an inclusive artistic environment for our community members. Programs that provide much-needed financial support to families facing hardships. Programs that provide community training and employment services to individuals who have barriers to entering the workforce. It would mean continuing to support projects like the Whitewater Little Free Pantries that provide free food to community members in need, and projects like the Kids of Hummerson's Pond that provide free recreational activities to our kids and families. It would mean we can continue to show up for our communities wherever and whenever we are needed. It would mean we can continue to fight for the health, education, and financial stability of every person in our communities. Our United Way is so proud of the impact we've had over the past 75 years. And together, with your support, we look forward to continuing our work and building stronger, healthier communities where everyone thrives. On behalf of United Way and all of the incredible organizations, community programs, and families and individuals we are able to reach, thank you.